Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a gingham set of spring nails. So I'm going to be doing this set on press-ons, so I have my press-ons already picked out, set up on the stands, ready to go. And the first color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Perfect White. I'm going to go ahead and paint two of the nails with this color. The next color we're going to use is Madam Glam's Pivot, one of my all-time favorite colors from Madam Glam. This is a nice nude background shade. This is always my go-to pick for a nude background. I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of the nails with this color. We're going to go ahead and do a second coat of both of these colors. Now moving on to the design, I'm going to use Madam Glam's Bluebell, which I feel like is an underrated color for me. I absolutely love it. I feel like I never pick it up, but it's a pretty, almost periwinkle type of a color. It's like that blue with that hint of purple, little gray in it. It's like a periwinkle type of a color. But I'm going to use this color to do French tips on two of the nails. And then I'm going to put it down on my palette to do the rest of the designs. So we are going to create a gingham nail set. I will put my inspiration picture. This is from Nails by Lainey. Super cute. Hers are very light colored. I did choose a little bit more bold colors because, you know, I prefer a bolder color over a pastel. But I wanted to recreate the set because I just thought it was so stinking cute. So to create the gingham pattern, I'm going to take my white nail and I'm going to take this, I believe it's the liner brush from Madam Glam. I'm going to dip it in my Bluebell color and I'm going to create stripes going down. And then I'm going to turn the nail, since this is a press-on, I can turn the nail however way I want. And I'm going to create stripes the other way, creating little white boxes in between. Try to get it as even as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Next, I'm going to take Madame Glam's Blue Monday. This is a darker version of Bluebell. I'm going to add a dot of this to my palette, and I'm going to mix it in. I want to create a slightly darker shade because we're going to take those gingham nails, and where the lines overlap, you're going to color that little box darker with that slightly darker shade. That gives it that gingham look. Then on the middle nail, we're going to create little flowers and bumblebees. Just a super cute little pattern for spring. I will be using Bluebell for the blue flowers. The rest I'll be using Madame Glam's paints in white, vivid green, black, and yellow. And I just go back and forth, flash carrying in between, and just creating my little design. And I decided for this design I wanted to do matte, so I will be using the Madame Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And here's how the design came out. I think this is so cute. It is perfect for spring. Like if you're doing spring brunch with the girls, I feel like this is that type of design. Or I feel like this would even be really good for Mother's Day, which is perfect because Mother's Day is coming up. This would be a good Mother's Day set. Just something really cute and sweet. And again, I love that Bluebell color. It's so underrated. If you have Bluebell, pull it out, do a design with it, tag me in it. I would love to see what you create with that color. But make sure to like this video if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.